The imploding reputation of healthcare workers, and I say healthcare in quotations. Wow. If this whole corona nonsense hasn't exposed the insane patheticness, that's not even a word, but I'm going to use it because it's applicable right now, patheticness of what we call the healthcare industry. My God. Have these people been exposed or what? Now I get it. They got to pay off those student loans that they took on when they were told that they were heroes for joining the healthcare industry. But my God, the money-making power grab under the guise of fighting the coronavirus that we have witnessed is trumped only by the disgusting videos of healthcare workers, doctors, nurses, dancing
TikTok
on TikTok as the towers on 9/11 collapse. Now, I'm not literally talking about 9/11. I'm talking about all the TikTok videos of doctors dancing during the, quote, coronavirus pandemic. But the reason I reference 9/11 is because the moment there were more coronavirus deaths than deaths on 9/11, the media immediately began comparing the coronavirus pandemic as being worse than 9/11. More lives lost than on 9/11. More people have died from the coronavirus than they've died on 9/11. In a sense, almost comparing a pandemic to a terrorist attack, which, as far as the ultimate effects of these incidents, is not a bad comparison, because they've basically rolled out the TSA everywhere. After 9/11, due to the big bad boogeyman, invisible enemy, Bin Laden, they rolled out the TSA in airports, and you basically became a surveilled slave every time you go to the airports. Well, after the coronavirus pandemic, they've basically brought the TSA everywhere. Everywhere you go now is the TSA. Police guarding the streets, busybodies keeping an eye on you, checking you, watching your behavior, signs on the floor navigating how you can go through a grocery store. And as much as you and I hate to put on these discriminatory face masks, we have no choice. What are we going to do, starve to death? And so I'm very happy to give people the option to express their minds. A lot of people have been picking up one of these hoax face masks. I can't think of a better way to speak your mind while being forced to wear these discriminatory face masks. Are you at least still allowed to have an opinion at the grocery store? To pick up one of these hoax face masks, just click the link down there in the description below. People with blue gloves everywhere because they're germaphobes. I mean, they turned everybody into a TSA snitch state worker. But the incredible display, the audacity of what we call the healthcare industry, the total dance in your face mockery that we've had to witness as we all stay locked down and shut down in our houses, compromising our immune systems with a lack of sunlight, lack of fresh air, watching the mainstream media's death count tick-tock one by one, totally stressing us out. And it's mainstream news now, mainstream medicine now. Everybody knows stress, anxiety, depression can compromise the immune system. Everybody understands these things. All while one group of people seem to be the least stressed of all: health care workers. Hundreds, thousands, tens of thousands of TikTok social media dance videos. And while the mainstream media couldn't help but compare the rising death toll from the coronavirus pandemic to a
They don't seem too stressed out.
new 9/11. For some reason, healthcare workers thought it was okay to dance in the middle of this new 9/11. Effectively dancing on social media, making silly viral videos, giggling and laughing as the towers came crashing down. As the massive clouds of dust billowed through the streets, they thought this would be a great opportunity to laugh and to giggle and to dance on TikTok. It is a disgrace. Many people have speculated, why the hell are so many of these weird TikTok videos going viral? Why are there so many of them all around the world? Aren't the hospitals overwhelmed? Aren't the bodies piling up? Where do you have the time to make some extremely elaborate dance videos? Choreographed here. We're talking about choreographed. I mean, what the hell are you people doing? The hospitals are war zones. The bodies are piling up. It's the biggest circus. And then the next question is the demeanor, the happiness, the silliness. It's all fun and games in the middle of a fucking war zone, right? Okay guys, so that's only half the video. To keep watching the